Hey everybody, I'm Jeff. This is East Texas Aide. Hey, today's video we're going to go over first aid kits. This is a first aid and survival kit. What caught my eye on this is it's got a waterproof roll top bag. Looks like it might have some Velcro on there to help keep it sealed. It's made by Life Gear. I picked this up at Academy for 20 bucks. It's still got plenty of room for additional things in it if you want. If you carry a first aid kit, I'd like to hear your thoughts about first aid kits and what you carry or might not carry as far as a kit, or just certain things that you've got to have before you leave the house on your moto adventures. I'd really like to hear them. Post them in the comments. Shoot me an email if you want. Up here is our email address. We got decals. We got a fresh batch of decals in that are just waiting to go out. So you guys shoot me that contact information. I'll make sure to get them out to you. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and dive into this thing and see what's in here. All right, let's get this bad boy opened up. It's supposed to be 130 pieces. I don't know if I want to unpackage this thing or not. All right, let's see what we got. The bag's actually really good size. That's pretty good size bag. So, looks like we got some bandages. We have cooling gel pouch, some gauze, a plastic bandage, as you know, everybody knows what that is. It's an ACE bandage, abdominal pad, compression. Let's see here. Oh, we got a poncho. We have an instant ice pack. This looks like maybe a whistle and what is this? Oh, look at that. Advanced glow, flashlight and glow stick. So you got oh, check that out. How do I turn it off? There we go. That's kind of nifty. Okay. This is not exactly what I was expecting. So I'm kind of 3 for 3 here. Thinking this was going to be more of a first aid kit. So, but you know what? The good thing about this is I can make my own first aid kit. So here's your first aid kit, guys. This is your first aid kit, which is probably just a bunch of bandages, some tape, some alcoholic wipes, and so forth. I mean, this is pretty. The first aid kit part of it is pretty pathetic. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, so we did that. We did that. Space blanket. Not bad. Okay. So it looks like we have a Tefal type candle, which seems to be pretty cheap. But I mean, I guess you could use it for heating up your bobby pins. You got a bunch of bobby pins. Those can always come in handy. Paracord, or cheap paracord. Little pair of scissors. Tweezers. This looks like you've got a whistle, you got a thermometer, and then you've got a compass. So, and it's a keychain. And it looks like you may have a magnifying glass in here too. Look at that, you got a little magnifying glass. Pretty cheap, pretty flimsy, but hey, if you know, I don't know if you could start a fire with that or not, because one thing I do not see in this kit are matches. And then, there you go right here, fire starter. You get your flint and your striker. So that's pretty cool. And like I said, it's all in a waterproof bag. So, all in all, not too bad. Maybe I was expecting too much. Anyway, let me know what you guys carry as far as first aid and survival gear when you're on your rides. And leave them down there in the comments. I'd like to read them. I like suggestions, you know. I'm new to this, so trial and error, my errors. Hopefully you guys don't go through the same thing I go through. So anyway, I want to say thanks for watching and have a good night.